The transition from geostationary Earth orbit (GEO) satellites to low Earth orbit (LEO) systems like Starlink, OneWeb, and Project Kuiper is revolutionizing maritime connectivity. LEO satellites offer higher speeds and lower latency. For instance, Starlink provides speeds up to 220 megabits per second with latencies around 40 milliseconds, compared to the slower speeds and higher latencies of GEO systems. Cost is another factor. Starlink antennas cost $2,500 each with a $1,000 per month data plan for 1 terabyte, while GEO VSAT antennas can cost over $20,000 with higher airtime costs. The decline of GEO VSAT systems is reducing demand for traditional antennas, impacting manufacturers like KVH Industries and Intellian. However, this shift creates opportunities for new technologies and services. Companies like Kymeta and Intellian are developing flat panel antennas for LEO networks. Platforms like Marine Data Solutions (MDS) Blender offer multi-orbit network management, integrating LEO, 5G, and GEO VSAT networks. The MDS Blender provides seamless connectivity across various conditions, crucial for reliable maritime communication and superyacht connectivity. Integrators and service providers must pivot to value-added services like designing and managing multi-orbit networks and offering 24/7 support. Maritime fleets are adapting by installing LEO-compatible antennas and integrating network management systems to ensure efficient and reliable connectivity. Implementing multi-orbit networks involves managing multiple technologies and ensuring interoperability, requiring careful planning and robust technical solutions. Adopting LEO technologies and multi-orbit networks improves operational efficiency, optimizing route planning and streamlining communication, leading to cost savings and a competitive edge. Future collaboration between satellite operators, technology providers, and maritime stakeholders will drive innovation and enhance maritime connectivity. In conclusion, the transition to LEO systems like Starlink, OneWeb, and Project Kuiper offers unprecedented opportunities for improved maritime services and superyacht connectivity. Embracing these changes will help the industry navigate turbulent waters and emerge more connected and efficient than ever before.